got trouble down here. Cops are here, everything. Mask of Pumpkin is invading this area. People are scared, they're terrified, they're running for their lives. No, that's scary. The Hamburglar. Garlic. Garlic. Vampires. Oh. The old Worcestershire sauce. The poison. The poison of the burger. Just the layers of onion. Layers of onion. Little tomato pumpkins. Organic. Layers of cheese to hide the melting, cooking flesh. And just a cover. Oh, wrong size. Alright. Here we go. Get that one. That one's a little low. That one looks good. That one looks good. I just gotta pour a little blood on there. Just a little bit of blood. Oh, that's too much. The knives are special. Ah.